What is grammar? Farhan, make a sentence using the word big.
Big house my is.
Wrong.
My house is big.
Good. So we have to follow certain rules when we make and use sentences. If we do not follow these set rules, then the sentence will not make sense.
What are these rules called, teacher?
The set of rules that determine how words are arranged in a sentence in any language is called grammar. Definition: the set of rules that govern a language is called grammar. It determines the way words fit together to make complete sentences. Punctuation is also an important part of grammar. Let us look at some rules of grammar. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Example: my house is big. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. Example: my house is subject and is big is predicate. A singular subject needs a singular predicate. Example: my house is singular, so use of verb is in predicate is big. There are 8 parts of speech that appear in a particular structure in a sentence. These are nouns, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Example: my adjective, house noun, is verb, big adjective. The first letter of each sentence must be capitalized. Example: M in my, the first letter of the sentence. One punctuation mark is essential in a sentence, that is full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark used at the end of a sentence. Example: full stop at the end